this is Victoria of Taxumo Customer Support, and in this video, I'll help you fix your settings. First is we should fix our taxpayer profile. Please make sure to avoid any typographical errors. The information you provided here will be reflected in your tax returns. Essentially, this includes your full name, your tax identification number, your email, birth date, registered address, zip code, your RDO, contact number, civil status, citizenship, and your gender. However, the most crucial part to fill out is your taxpayer name. It is important to note that if you are a registered professional or sole proprietor, you should input your full name. For corporations and partnerships, please input your business name. Another crucial information would be your tax identification number. Please make sure that the TIN inputted here would be your correct TIN record. Lastly, another essential field is your RDO number. Please ensure that the one you selected matches the information in your certificate of registration. Typically, you can find this number on the top center part of your certificate of registration. Now that we're done fixing our taxpayer profile, let's proceed in fixing our business profile. It is essential to have our certificate of registration handy when filling up the fields here. For our line of business, please type what is indicated in your certificate of registration. For your filing start date, enter the date of your registration. But if you are switching to Taxumo, use the first date of the quarter when you started using our platform. For example, let's say you've been filing your taxes since 2021 and you're transitioning to Taxumo starting February of 2024. Since February falls under quarter 1 of the year, please select January 1, 2024 as your filing start date. For your business type, kindly select whether you are selling goods, providing services, or you are both selling goods and services. For your income source, kindly select whether you are earning solely from business, from profession, or if you are a mixed income earner. For your tax rate, please select whether you are using graduated income tax or 8% gross receipt tax. For your taxpayers type, please select whether you are a single proprietor, professional, partnership, or corporation. For partnership and corporation, you will need to select your own corporate tax rate. Kindly select your preferred tax rate in the drop-down below. Now, for users who are using graduated income tax rate, you will have the option to select your deduction method. Kindly select whether you are using optional standard deduction or itemized deduction. Additionally, you'll be prompted to indicate whether you are a BMBE taxpayer, so please select yes or no accordingly. This selection will significantly impact how Taxumo calculate your tax dues. Now for the forms that we are filing. It is essential to refer to our certificate of registration when selecting the forms. Make sure to only choose the ones specified on our COR. Forms that appear in blue are already activated. Then for our tax filing notification, please be advised that in Taxumo, we prioritize keeping you informed about your tax deadlines. If you'd like to receive notification from us, simply toggle this button. If it's in blue, it means the sending of email reminders is already activated. Now for the uploading of our certificate of registration and e-signature, these are only optional, and if you wish to upload, kindly make sure that the file is less than 5 MB. And once we're done filling up the fields here, please make sure to save changes. Once it's saved, that's how we fix our own Taxumo settings.